will set our goal at last and our first topic is where is the polar region? So, polar region lies on the near the poles. That is called as the polar region. Near poles is called the polar region. Then our next the boundary of the region is known as the Arctic Circle. Is known as the Arctic Circle. So in our last lesson we have seen that we have done about Earth movement and season. Here also we have done only. And the North polar region is also called as tundra. Is called as the tundra. The tundra means the very cold place. And it gets the very little sunlight. Continuous. Yes, formal. Now, continuing this topic in here. Now, snow in this polar region, snow can be seen. And they will be the Iceland or Icelands. Iceland and ice on the streams also. And sometimes in the ice of ice in rivers also. So now this topic has been finished. Now we will go to our next topic. It is the first topic that it is also it is the fourth lesson. So 4.1 it is the topic. Now we will go to the next topic. It is so the seasons of the contradiction is the second topic. So as the season in this extremely cold will be there in winters. Cold and difficult to imagine also. And in India there may be sunrise and sunset. Sunrise and set. Every day in India sunrise and sunset every day. And but not in Tundra region. Not in Tundra region. Almost dark in November, December and January. November. And December. December and January. Now next topic. we learn about the so now we will learn about the summer. In the summer sunshine, when the sun shines, it will be around the February to March. February to March. And comparatively winters, it will be less cold. Less cold in the winter. From December. And in this summer, ice melts. Let's again fill up in the summer. Let's again fill up. Ice brings float in ocean like a iceberg. I wait and float after your years, the sky becomes dark and dark desolates. That will come again alive.
ये जो है ना और पक्का मुर्गा या सेंड कर देंगे नोट याद करेगा
So, if you have not understood that the season, will be every day very much snowfall in these 3 months, and the water will froze, and it will be the dark icy condition in the Arctic Circle, and while the winters plants die, and birds and animals leave these places because they are not having that much condition to survive this kind of winters. Means now the whole region of the Arctic Circle or tundra region will dark desert and desolate. Again, I will come to here again. I will explain you this from starting. The sun shines in the tundra in the summer months, and around February to March. In the already just 2 months, and comparatively I have less cold compared to winter months. Ice will melt in the tundra region, and lakes will again fill up, and ice breaks float in the ocean like an iceberg. Now, next, a study about the frozen solids comes alive. Comes alive. Now this project has been over. So now we will talk about the vegetation of the tundra region. So the upper soil surface will be of the region which is frozen, and it will be in the rock state. That much hard it will become. That much colder it will be in the tundra region. And this statement is called as the permafrost. Called as so the upper layer of the soil are frozen as a rock state. This thing is called as the permafrost. Sorry. Permafrost. Now, next. So in the tundra region there will be the little white of soil. Little soil. And in the tundra region of vegetation, the very less plants will grow there. Only the small plants will grow. Small plants will grow. And I have told you that the upper layer also becomes like a rock state. And the victories will be there. And they will be very difficult to grow there. Difficult trees grow. And one more thing is that trees get damaged because the uproot uproot will be there. In the I have read you that in extreme cold, in the extreme cold there will be strong wind. From the strong winds, there will the uproot will be damaged. The whole of the Eskimos. Whole of Eskimos. Live in the scattered settlement in the Greenland, Canada, Alaska, and even in the Siberia. Scattered settlement. Scattered settlement in Greenland, and Canada, Alaska, and even the Siberia also. Thousands of years they will live there only. Thousands of years they will live there, and the Eskimos are isolated from the other people. Eskimos isolated. From other people. So I will continue this topic here. They will hunting. They will hunt fishes, seals, and that caribous also. Lived by hunting. Eskimos are developed in the traditional also very much. Eskimos The homeland of the Eskimos are the Hirschgold land, and that's the home of Eskimos. They live scattered in the settlement in the Greenland, Canada, Alaska, and Siberia. They will not dwell deep in the Arctic Circle because they will be extreme cold that we can't survive also. They live in these countries in the Spanish settlement for the thousands of years ago. Thousands of years they are living, and Eskimos are isolated with other people also, and they will hunt the seals and some animals also, and they will do fishing also, and because they are lived by hunting and fishing, and they have developed their life in the suited homeland. Eskimos have the traditional way has been developed very much, and the everyday Eskimos will face many challenges like extreme cold, food shortage, and some viral fevers, smallpox, and etc. Now we will go meet challenges. They meet the challenges. They are from the far from the north. Far from north. The Eskimos, you know the meaning of Eskimos. I will tell you the meaning of Eskimos. That snowshoes, snowshoe netter. It is the meaning of the Eskimos. I've been telling again. I'm telling now. And there are two main groups. They have referred this name as Eskimos. Now we will talk about. So this is our topic. So this topic is 4.3, and it is 4.3.1. Now we are talking about the group life. 4.3.1 group life. Group life. Now, okay. It is a very big topic, so please concentrate. And it is a very interesting topic also. Eskimos live in the fairly small groups. Means we will have in groups like purple group,